You're watching Czar Films Variety Channel.
So here we have the TC Helicon Play Acoustic, and we're just going to quickly show you how to set up the Switch 3, but we're using a Digitech FS3X, which we got for $39 or $35, which is way cheaper than the Switch 3. They both work the same. So to set it up, you go over here to access the menu, click Setup twice. Okay, and this brings up the menu. And so you've got 10 inputs on the top there. So we're going to go ahead and scroll through. These are the different options. I'm trying to get you in close so you can read that. Okay, it gives you the different options. And we're looking for the Switch 3. I think it's number 7. 6 and 7. Okay, so the first one here is for the first switch, switch number 1. And the next one, switch 2, is switch 2, and then the switch 3. So, switch 1 we currently have set for this. So if you want to change it, you just push this button here, and then you can scroll and change it. You can put delay, guitar reverb, guitar phase, set key, hit, preset down, preset up. You can set it for whatever you want. Also, you can use it in the looper. You can set any of these effects on any one of these. So, switch mod 1, we're using guitar U mod, and then we're on switch 2, we're using guitar delay, and switch 3, we're using a clean boost. We prefer to do that, and we set them globally because I'm an acoustic player. I don't really need to change up every single song. I like to keep the effects global and just pop them on occasionally so it's not too drastic. Now, I set those that way. When you normally plug this in, it's going to be default looper controls, because you can also set your Switch 3 to be in control of your looper. However, I prefer to use these two and hold down this for the looper, and use these pedals for the looper, and allow these to be stomp box switches. So anyway, that's how you do it. So quickly again, double click setup twice, and then you're on setting 7 out of 10, and you can change any of these to different effects. You can make these so, like, yeah, 1 button looper, loop start stop, loop undo, loop stop erase. So you can set all 3 of these switches to control your looper, which a lot of people prefer to do. I prefer to keep these extra switches for guitar, like stomp box effects. So again, that's how you do it. Quickly, how you access the menu and set your Switch 3 for your acoustic play. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. If you like what you see, please click like, share, and comment. Tell me how you like your acoustic play. Thanks.